Hello, Team Esler. I just wanted to take a minute and walk you through how you can easily register for Run Ranger Run. You will go to runrangerrun.com/team-esler and you'll come to this page here. While you're on this page, you'll click Register Here, which will take you directly into our registration platform. Most of you will be joining a team. When you click Join a Team, you'll choose Walk, Run, Adult. In the coupon code, you'll type in RRR Esler. This will give you that free registration. And then you will want to choose the team that you're going to join. So from your team captain, you'll get the team name. You'll type in a name where it says search for a team to join. You just have to have a word that it contains. So here I typed Esler, and you can see all of these potential teams cropped up. If a team is full, over here in the corner it will say full and won't allow you to join the team. So now I'm going to pretend that I'm going to join Team Esler Colorado and click Next. And then it brings you to a page and you just fill out your information and you've got it from here. Glad to have you on board, Team Esler.